Hi, so I got this Behringer Phara-o-mini today. I did an unboxing and a first impression video. However, I can't stop tweaking this little Pharaoh. So I figured I'll press record and I'll see how this goes. So I'll do a little walkthrough and make some noises. So I'm standing outside the techno club. Everybody's just waiting for things to kick in. Bouncer's saying, nah, you ain't coming in tonight. So, let's see, let's open this up a little bit. Let's go a little bit more acid. Alright, now we're inside the club. Awesome. So, that's just with the filter at the moment. So, cut off, ambient modulation, get some extreme resonance, get some nasty. Sounds like those old 303s. Awesome job. Alright, let's shorten this up. Let's get it. Right, so I have the delay on. So, no delay. A little bit of delay. So if I tighten this up real fast, we can hear how and I have the delay synced here. So let's get it back to there. Do faster. There. Okay, so let's close that down. Make this dark. Get it extreme. Open the sustain out a little bit. And then if we flip this the other way, tighten that up. And then over here, this is the modulation for over here. My squeaks. I really love how interactive things are when you change one knob. It helps with everything else to do something else. I'm fed up sitting with a mouse clicking on a computer screen. That's why I started buying these little things. You use two hands. You can change multiple things at the same time if you need to. Okay, so let's see what else we can get out of this. I really like it whenever you get these nice ambient sort of layers. And then if we give it a long delay, try doing that with the mouse. My big hand in the way there, sorry about that. Oh, that is nice. That sounds nothing like what we started with. But I haven't changed anything in the keyboards. Let's get some nasty low end. Get back outside the club. There we go. So, there we go. A little bit of tweaking, a little bit of fun. I probably spend a few more hours on this. I think I've already played about 6 hours today on this. I should really be practicing guitar, because I'm supposed to be a guitar player. But anyway, there we go. Awesome stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh, that's dirty. see what I mean. It's very hard to stop. Alright. Laters.